ready, set, go. Wait, I need a timer. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be this 5-minute makeup tutorial. It's not my favorite or it's not my best work here on YouTube, but I didn't want this video to be like cut or anything, so I wanted it to be an actual 5-minute out the door makeup tutorial. So this is what I came up with. There's a lot of stuff happening on the eyes that I don't like. There's mascara on my eyelids. There's just, yeah, you're gonna have to just watch to see what happens, but it is difficult to do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes, let me tell you. I think 10 minutes is amazing because I could still blend my eyeshadow. I can actually create something pretty nice in 10 minutes, which by the way, I have a 10-minute makeup tutorial in the description box. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, I haven't done one of these videos in a minute, but I'm excited also to have the little clock here, so if I mess up, there's no going back, okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, so first, I obviously put my concealer under my eyes. I'm not wearing any foundation today because ain't nobody got time for that. So I just quickly put this under my eyes and wherever I have imperfections, which is nowadays kind of everywhere. And then I just blend it in place. I don't know why I'm using a beauty blender because let me tell you, a kabuki brush is way faster. So, you know, the nerves are not letting me think straight. Okay, so then I already look a lot better, but I feel like I need to go back and conceal this a little more. I've had these 2 pimples for probably over a month, and I don't know why it's still there. I don't get it. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly set this in place because I don't want this to move throughout the day. And wait, where's my timer? Where did it go? My phone just like totally closed on me. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this bronzer on. This is a Laura Mercier bronzer, and I love my Chanel one, but I was like, let's just change it up today and use a Laura Mercier one. But the thing to remember is use a powder bronzer when you're in a rush. Don't use a cream one because you can just randomly apply it. I know I look funny right now, but don't worry because we are still gonna blend this in place with the kabuki brush because it's just gonna make it look super natural. Why I'm out of breath, I have no idea. This is not supposed to be stressful, but you know, time is ticking and my phone literally just locked on me. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, it's been 3 minutes. Okay, or do I have 3 minutes left? I don't even know. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use my Glossier Boy Brow because it's just super duper fast. I get this all over, it fills it in and brushes it at the same time. Done. And I definitely need some eyeshadow and shaping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use like a little, I should have had my pencil brush right in front of me, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna use a little pencil brush and then I'm gonna use a Charming and Audacious. And I'm just gonna get this like roughly towards the outer corners, kind of create like a really scary looking cat eye. But don't worry, we're just gonna blend it and it's gonna look super nice. I promise. Oh my gosh, let's see. Why does this happen? Okay, 2 minutes left. Holy smokes. I'm gonna use a little bit of Charming just because I have a very hooded, okay, maybe not very hooded eye, but a pretty hooded eye. I know I look hilarious right now, but don't worry, we're gonna blend. Okay. I'm just blending with a big fluffy brush and I'm using a little bit of Honest to blend this in place. Hopefully this video actually goes up because if it looks terrible, I'm gonna have to start over again. Okay, so I think that's fine. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes. Oh, I have time. And put on some mascara. Oh great, I got this all over my eyelids. That's okay. Nothing's perfect in 5 minutes. Okay, wow, the mascara part is kind of... okay, wait, I need to fix this because gonna bother me. Okay, I'm gonna throw on a gloss first. Where is my gloss? Oh, here it is. This is a new gloss. I'll talk about it at the end because I like don't have time, but it's so pretty. It's like the perfect mauve, and it's launching next week. I'm so excited. Okay, how much time do I have? I should have had you do this, Kayla. Oh my God, 36 seconds. Do I need blush? Maybe a little bit of blush? Okay, 27 seconds left? Girl, we got this. Let's do some shading towards the bottom lash line. Okay, I know this isn't the most beautiful makeup you've ever seen, but like for 5 minutes, I feel like it's not terrible, right? Okay, 6 minutes left, or 6 seconds left. I don't know what else to do, so I'm just, oh, okay, it's done. Oh, it's done! Oh my goodness, that was stressful. Okay, so for 5 minutes, I feel like it's not terrible. Do I love it? Absolutely not. I think there's a lot to be fixed here. The eyes are just super like, I don't even know what's going on there. Like it needs a lot of blending. The face also needs blending. There's like a little patchiness I'm seeing. I would have loved to used a cream bronzer instead of a powder bronzer because it just looks more skin-like. But yeah, nonetheless, I think for 5 minutes, it's okay. I could technically leave the house and be fine. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna talk about the gloss because it is launching next week and I'm so excited. There's another shade launching with it, so stay tuned to see what that other shade is. This is the Perfect Mauve. It's launching next week and it's called Shortcake because it launches on our anniversary, on our 3-year anniversary. So I'm so excited. And yeah, I can't believe Persona's been around for 3 years. I literally can't believe that the journey has just taken us 3 years and it's been so amazing. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. As usual, I would not be able to do this without you, so thank you. And yeah, get excited. I will have more information in the description box on the exact date that it launches. So be sure to check that out. And if you're new, our lip glosses are infused with avocado oil, shea butter, almond oil. It is seriously the most comfortable lip gloss I've ever tried. So I hope you guys also love it. And they're also vegan. So yeah, I hope you guys give it a try. We have so many different shades, but I feel like this is gonna be a new favorite of mine because I always gravitate towards honey. But now I'm like, ooh, this is so pretty. Love it. Let me know what you guys think of the shade in the comments below. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trying to change it up a little bit here. I hope you guys enjoyed like the format of not cutting it. But yeah, definitely rate this look from 1 to 10. Like what would you give it? And don't be nice, just be real. I can take it, I promise. And yeah, and also let me know if you guys want to see maybe like a 10-minute unedited version of this because I'm telling you, I could do a lot better in 10 minutes, I promise. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And again, I'll have more info on the lip gloss in the description box, so check that out and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.